हेलो एवरीवन, नाम करो। हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम यहाँ पर बात करने वाले हैं हैप्पीनेस एंड मेडिटेशन प्रोग्राम के बारे में, जिसके लिए हमसे बात करने के लिए आ रहे हैं प्रशांत राजौर जी, जो आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग फैकल्टी हैं, केमिकल इंजीनियर आईआईटी से हैं और काफ़ी सालों से एडवांस मेडिटेशन प्रोग्राम्स ले रहे हैं। सो हम उनसे बहुत जल्दी ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं। आई नो दैट यू गाइज आर एक्साइटेड एंड आई होप यू विल गेट योर आंसर्स। तो अगर आप कुछ भी पूछना चाहते हैं उनसे या मुझसे तो आप पूछ सकते हैं। हम बहुत जल्द उनके साथ ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं। वालेकुम अस्सलाम। हाय मंजू, हेलो। सो अगर आपका कोई भी क्वेश्चन है हैप्पीनेस और मेडिटेशन को लेकर तो आप उनसे पूछ सकते हैं, मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं, जब तक वो नहीं आते। बहुत जल्दी वो हमें ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं। ओह हेलो, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह खैरियत तो है
जी।
आप सब कैसे हैं? खैरियत से हैं?
जी मैं मास्टर शेफ डॉक्टर सना जी के यहाँ से बात कर रही हूँ। जी भैया उनके साथ लाइव आने वाले हैं आज, तो भैया रेडी हैं? जी जी।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। हेलो मरियम। हाँ, इस मामले में तो मैं क्वाइट टाइम नहीं निकाल पाती हूँ, लेकिन मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इनबॉक्स के जवाब दे पाऊँ। आस्क मी एनीथिंग जेन्युइन में ज़रूर जवाब देती हूँ। हाय, हेलो, हाउ आर यू, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वालेकुम अस्सलाम। अगर या फिर कैसे हो आप, क्या कर रहे हो आप, ऐसे सवाल होते हैं तो मैं कई बार उन सवालों के जवाब नहीं दे पाती हूँ। सो अगर कोई जेन्युइन या बहुत ज़रूरी सवाल हो तो उसे ही आप मुझे इनबॉक्स में पूछेंगे तो मैं उसका जवाब ज़रूर दूंगी। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड। हाय तानिया, हाय नदीम, हेलो आफरीन, हाय शिफा, हेलो आसमा, कैसे हैं विवेक जी? सो जल्दी से सवाल रेडी कर लीजिए आपके मेडिटेशन और हैप्पीनेस से रिलेटेड, क्योंकि मैं तो बहुत कुछ पूछने वाली हूँ प्रशांत जी से कि वो क्या सजेस्ट करते हैं हमें, हाउ टू बी हैप्पी, कैसे हम अपने होठों से स्माइल को ना जाने दें, मुस्कुराहट कैसे ना जाने पाए। तब तक मैं आप लोगों से एक सवाल पूछती हूँ उनके आने तक। क्या आप जानते हैं एक छोटा बच्चा, न्यूबॉर्न बेबी, कितनी बार मुस्कुराता है 24 घंटे में? मुझे इसका जवाब जल्दी से बताएं प्रशांत जी के आने से पहले। कि एक छोटा सा बच्चा, न्यूबॉर्न बेबी, कितनी बार मुस्कुराता है 24 घंटे में? 39। नो नो, थोड़ा और ज्यादा। all the time. But I want numbers. 108. थोड़ा और ज्यादा. गिनती तो है. 1000. ये कुछ ज्यादा ही हो गया. बाकी लोग भी गेस करें, बाकी लोग भी सोचें कितनी बार मुस्कुराता है. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति का सवाल है ये. वन 190. थोड़ा और ज्यादा. 999. लॉटरी का नंबर लग रहा है मुझे ये. साइंस इसे प्रूव कर चुका है. वाओ. D sum. So send me your number. Sorry, your name. Numbers तो आपने मुझे भेज दिए. Yes, you guys are right. ओम शांति. जिन्होंने लिखा है ओम शांति, जिनका आईडी ओम शांति के नाम से है, तो आप दोनों बहुत 100% सही हैं. इट्स 400. 400 बार एक न्यूबॉर्न बेबी मुस्कुराता है. कितना एफर्टलेस होता है ना मुस्कुराना. अगर हम कहीं सड़क से गुजर रहे हैं और कोई सामने से दिखता है तो हम उसे मुक्के मारने थोड़ी लग जाते हैं, या मुंह फुला थोड़ी लेते हैं, या गालियां देने थोड़ी लग जाते हैं, है ना. हम क्या करते हैं, अगर कोई हमें मिलता है तो हम उसे देखकर मुस्कुराते हैं. मीन्स कुदरत ने हमें मुस्कुराने के लिए ही बनाया है. हमारा नेचर मुस्कुराना ही है. हंसते रहना, मुस्कुराते रहना, ये हमारा नेचर है. गुस्सा करने में एफर्ट है, मुस्कुराने में तो कोई एफर्ट ही नहीं है. स्माइल एफर्टलेसली. सो प्रशांत भैया जल्दी से लाइव आ जाइए, हमारे साथ ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, ताकि हम आपसे और ऐसे कुछ मज़ेदार क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकें और जानकारी हमारी बढ़ सके. हाँ, रोना भी एफर्ट है. जब तक कोई दुख ना हो जाए, उसे हम ज़बरदस्ती अपने ऊपर लाद ना लें, उस पेन को अपने अंदर ले ना लें, तब तक हम दुखी थोड़ी होते हैं. प्रशांत भैया आ चुके हैं और बहुत जल्दी हमें वीडियो ज्वाइन करेंगे. सो भैया आप मुझे जल्दी से रिक्वेस्ट भेजिए और मैं आपको कनेक्ट करती हूँ, और फिर हम आपसे बहुत सारी बातें करने के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड है. हमारी सब्र का इम्तिहान न लें, आप जल्दी से आ जाएं. तो भैया बहुत ही सीनियर टीचर हैं आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग के, और इंटरनेशनल टीचर हैं, और केमिकल इंजीनियर हैं आईआईटी से, और लोगों की ज़िंदगी में खुशियाँ बिखेरते रहते हैं. तो ऐसे ही वो हमारी ज़िंदगी में भी, हम सब की लाइफ में भी खुशियाँ बिखेरने के लिए बहुत जल्दी हमें ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं. प्रशांत भैया जल्दी से मुझे वीडियो के लिए आप ज्वाइनिंग रिक्वेस्ट भेजें, ताकि मैं आपको ज्वाइन कर लूँ और हम आपसे बात कर सकें. रोना इसलिए आता है क्योंकि हम उसको अपने ऊपर लेते हैं, उस फीलिंग को अपने ऊपर हावी होने देते हैं, तब हमें रोना आता है. मुस्कुराने के लिए कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता, ऑटोमेटिकली हम मुस्कुरा देते हैं. मुस्कुराने के लिए कोई वजह नहीं होती. एक फूल को देखकर भी हम मुस्कुरा सकते हैं. सुबह उठे और कुछ मीठी आवाज़ सुने तो हम जज्बाती होकर मुस्कुरा देते हैं. जी हाँ, मैं मेमन हूँ, मेरे नाम के आगे मेमन लिखा हुआ है. So Yeah, connecting. Jai Gurudev.
जय गुरुदेव।
वेलकम भैया, आपने बहुत ज्यादा इंतजार करवाया, लेकिन हमें
नहीं
पता
मैं
है कि सब्र का फल मीठा होने वाला है।
नहीं मैं तो 7 बजे रेडी था, मुझे पता नहीं था कि क्या करना है, मैकेनिक्स क्या है, तो मैं रुका हुआ था डायरेक्शंस के लिए। हम्म,
ओके।
तो सब्र तो मेरे को भी करना पड़ा दूसरे तरीके से। हम्म,
और कैसे हैं भैया?
मैं एकदम बढ़िया। कैसे चल रहा है आपका?
बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है भैया, बस आपका इंतजार था। आप लोगों से बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलता है और जिंदगी में मुस्कुराने
हम्म,
के बहुत सारे मौके मिलते रहते हैं। जाती ही नहीं है मुस्कुराहट आप लोगों
हम्म,
की वजह से।
हाँ वो तो है ही, काम ही ऐसा है। तो हमारे गुरु भी कम नहीं है, कोई कच्चा काम नहीं करते हैं।
बिल्कुल।
हम्म,
सो भैया, बात यह है कि
हम्म,
व्हाट इज हैप्पीनेस। हम लोग आपसे बहुत सारे सवाल पूछने वाले हैं।
हाँ, हैप्पीनेस इज दैट अनडाइंग स्माइल ऑन योर फेस। उसके कारण अलग अलग हो सकते हैं। वी थिंक कि हैप्पीनेस इज इन सिचुएशन।
हम्म।
तो इफ इट वाज रियली इन अ सिचुएशन, सपोज गुलाब जामुन गिव यू हैप्पीनेस, देन 10 गुलाब जामुन शुड गिव यू लॉट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, नो? But
तो
10 gulab jamuns don't give you that happiness. So happiness is not in that situation. So you can replace gulab jamun with money or whatever, family, whatever. But it is the same mechanics. So happiness is somewhere else. So if you can find that, no, then you can be happy no matter what is happening in your life.
So how can we make our happiness consistent and stable? How can we be happy permanently? Can we be happy?
It is possible. It requires practice. Without practice, nothing is possible. And then we need to invest time in learning also. So there are two aspects. One is we have to learn, and then the second is practice. So learning is, there are techniques. Mind cannot be handled directly. If you tell your mind to be happy again and again, or if you tell your mind, I should not be angry, I should not be angry, the mind becomes more and more angry. If you say I have to be peaceful, the mind becomes more disturbed. So mind cannot be handled directly. So what is the way to handle the mind? It is through the breath. See, every mental pattern or feeling pattern is connected with some breath pattern. When we are angry, we all breathe in a particular way. When we are sad, we all breathe in a particular way. And the most obvious is to observe when we are tired, we get back home. And what is the breath which comes out as we are sitting on the sofa? So that is the breath of relief, isn't it?
Yes,
So in the same
yes.
way, if you can learn the breath to be happy, then we will start being happy. If we learn the breath to be peaceful, then we will be peaceful. And then as a practice, when we practice, then it remains there for longer and longer and longer till you are more or less happy in life. You're not affected by situations so much.
Sitting just ideally and closing our eyes is this happy? Is this meditation?
It can be meditation for
Yes,
advanced
meditation.
people. It can be meditation for advanced people. But for beginners, you require little guidance. You need little introduction. Like even to learn, you need to understand ABCD first, no? Then only learning begins, no? So that ABC of meditation, if you learn, then that even sitting with eyes closed can become meditation if you understand what it is.
Do you get angry?
Sometimes, yes, it's necessary also, because if I'm very peaceful, then people will sit on my head. They will take me for granted and they will not do any work. Happens with me many times. When I'm peaceful, no work happens, nothing. Then sometimes I have to show anger. I'm not really angry. Sometimes I show anger that, listen, if you don't do this. And then next moment I'm calm also. And sometimes that becomes little uncontrollable. So that is what makes us human beings. No, we're not expected to be machines. Everything cannot be mechanical. Sometimes we have to show natural rhythms and natural emotions also.
So how to know that this is the point we have to control now? Now we have to control and become to come to the normal position. We are getting in extreme angry or extreme granted.
See,
How
for a
we come to know that
pilot,
this is the extreme
for a
point?
for a for a person who does not know anything about flying planes, if you tell
Hmm.
him that at this point you have to brake, will that person understand at what point you have to break?
No, they don't. They will not.
They will not know. So they have to learn about flying planes. Then they will know what is the time to break and how much to break and how much to let the plane move, isn't it? So all that comes when you learn. This answer cannot be said now. This is the point you have to. When you learn, when you go into your mind, you understand the mechanics of the mind, then you will be able to share. And that is why we have these very beautiful programs called Art of Living. There are various variety of programs. You learn the basics, you learn the mechanics, and then you will also learn when to break, what to break, how to break. All those things will also happen.
How to take out some time for this meditation? Does it take too long time for meditation and doing this, learning this program and meditation programs and breathing techniques, and how you will take out time for these things in our busy schedule?
Nowadays, many people, they invest in SIPs. What is SIP? They take out little money, 500,000, 2,000, 5,000, whatever is comfortable for them. They take out that money and invest. And over a period of time, what happens? They get a huge sum of money. Isn't it? That money multiplies much more than what they have invested. So investing in meditation, investing time in meditation is also like that. In the beginning, it does not appear to give much benefits. But as we practice more and more over a period of time, those benefits come back in return, and you get much more time to do whatever you want to do. This has been my experience. I was in IIT and I was studying 8 hours a day, and my grades were at 6.8, 6.9 on 10, And I started practicing meditation, I started practicing breathing, and in 2 semesters, 3 semesters, my grades improved. It became 8.14, then it became 8.6, and after that, it never came down. And the most amazing thing is, whereas I was studying 8 hours a day, my amount of studies came down to 1.5, 2 hours a day, and that too to finish my assignments. It was not much on studies. So your brain becomes sharp, your memory becomes sharp, your mind becomes sharp. See, where do we waste time? We waste time in taking decisions. Why? Because there is confusion. We don't know whether to do this or that, and what to do, how to do, where to do, and our mind is going round and round and round and round. But if our mind is clear, if we have clarity of thought, when we have clarity of thought, we take decisions, and once it is decided, it is very easy to implement things. Decision making takes time, and meditation gives you that clarity of mind to take quick decisions, sharp decisions. And once you are able to do that again and again, you will have much more time for yourself.
Yes. So what is the difference between meditation and praying God? Is it not? Is it same?
Meditation is the beginning and praying is the end. The prayers become powerful when the beginning is good. Even for prayers to happen, if you are calmer, you're joyful, you will ask very clearly what you want. Many times we don't even know what we want, no?
Right. How do I know if I'm meditating in right way or not?
Once you learn meditation, you will also know what is right or wrong.
So
it's like when you learn cooking, then you also know what is the right way and what is the wrong way. You're a master chef, you know, isn't it?
yes.
So if I make a mistake, you will correct me immediately because you know the intricacies.
So we have to come to you.
Yeah, to learn, first learn.
So when is this meditation program going to happen?
Yeah, there is one starting Thursday evening, 6:30.
Okay.
There are, along with me, there are many more experts who are doing it. There is one Namit Bhareja and then Jeet Kaur. They are experts in training and management consultants, and I'm also there. All of us are Art of Living teachers. We will teach this wonderful program. So it's going to be interesting. It's going to be nice, amazing.
Life-changing program.
Absolutely, absolutely. My life has not been the same ever since I have learned this. And I'm really fortunate. I'm really fortunate to have experienced this at a young age, and I'm really grateful to the friend who introduced me to this. Really grateful.
Same thing happened with me also. I also just I was also not doing this much. I was just a chef, just a master chef, but not confident, not ready to face this world. And after doing this program, my life took some flight, and I became a master chef. And I started doing everything. What were my desires? I was just they were just getting fulfilled with the grace of Guruji, and it was just going on and on. So I would love to hear your Guru story. Before that, we have one question. Why we feel uncomfortable and don't feel like taking with some people, and there are times with some people we connect very well. How do I keep my mind neutral, cool with everyone? This is a question from our audience.
Yeah, see, there are two types of people on this planet. One who get affected by situations. When the situation is good, they're in seventh heaven. When the situation is bad, they're equally in seventh hell also. Isn't it? So these are the first type of people who get affected by situations, who get affected by people, who get affected by things. And there are the other type of people, who affect situations, who affect this. So you would definitely want to be the second type of person from your question, isn't it? I want to be comfortable and all that. But then for that to happen, you need to know the tricks to do that. No, see, everyone has that potential in it. It's like a lamp which is not burned, and a lamp which is not burned is overwhelmed with the darkness which is happening around, isn't it? But the moment
Yes.
it burns, it spreads light, and even the whole room is full of darkness, it still continues to burn, and it still continues to show light to everyone who can see, isn't it? So how to what do you say, illuminate that lamp is what the programs we are talking about. That illumination happens, and then you start affecting everything around.
Okay. So you are having 25 or 25 years of AOL experience.
Mm-hmm.
So we want to hear something from you. 25 years of experience.
Yeah, 25 years is nothing, no? Nothing. It's just gone, it's done. If I hold on to that 25 years, no, it will make me very stiff. Oh, I have done so much and all that, and then all that
There are
stiffness
lots
will
of
not
people
allow me to
who
think.
are asking you.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. For me, it was like yesterday, and it's like a dream. Good things happened in that 25 years, bad things happened in those 25 years. What is more important is how I am now. Can I maintain that freshness and enthusiasm and joy at this moment of time, no matter what has happened in my past? So if you can maintain that, then you have learned real art of living.
So there's one more question, Bhaiya. After meditating, I feel amazing and peace, but to start meditation, I feel lazy.
Yeah, if you feel lazy, then who can help you? If you want a promotion, you have to work for it. Nobody else will work for your promotion, isn't it? So if you want to meditate, and if you want to feel happy, and if you want to feel relaxed, which you're already, then you have to work for it. You have to find your own tricks. Nobody is going to give you the secrets how to get promotion, because they are working on their secrets to get their promotion, isn't it? So the biggest secret I'm telling you is that you have to take that commitment, and once you take the commitment, all what I tell you is useless. And if you don't have
So
to
there's
take,
some
if you don't have the commitment, if you don't have that commitment, then again whatever I say will be useless. So either
yes.
ways, whatever I'm going to share is useless. Most important thing is you have to be committed towards your peace and your happiness.
So there's some question. Please tell why all Swamis keep long hairs and beards.
No, nothing like that. And first, I'm not a Swami, but a lot of people keep beards. For me, long hair was always a childhood dream. Ever since a child, being a child, I have always wanted to have long hair. And summer holidays, those 2 months would be free from haircuts and everything. Occasionally I would do it because my mother would get angry and I would get a little this. But the moment I finished my IIT, the hair started growing. I didn't cut. And then because I was with Guruji, I said, okay, let me grow my beard also, because I was doing so much seva, hard work, I would not get time to shave. So that is how the beard came. And then I've got so used to this look that now I don't feel I will look better without a beard. I don't think so.
Okay. How does Sudarshan Kriya help in our daily life?
Yeah, if it cannot help you in daily life, then I would not be teaching this. So, what is the use of going to the gym? If you're asking me, only when you go to the gym, you will understand. You build up muscles, you feel fresh, and how fresh and all that, only when you go there. Now, your favorite dish, if I ask you, how will I feel after eating your favorite dish? You will say you have to eat it, then you will know what the feelings are, isn't it?
Yes.
So only then you will understand. In the same way, you have to do it. You cannot. I cannot tell you anything, because I can only tell you that you will have the most amazing experience of your life, and I can tell you that one of the most beautiful person is waiting to meet you on the other side of learning Sudarshan Kriya. So who that person is, you have to find out.
What is the role of breath?
Breath is life, no? If you remove breath, then your body is useless. Isn't it? In 2-3 hours, few hours, the body has to be disposed of. That is how important breath is. And this breath has many more powers than what we think the breath has. Sorry, there is no electricity here. So I'll just put on the light from my cell phone. So there'll be some light. Yeah. So breath has many more powers than what you think. It's not just life. It can heal your body, it can heal your mind, it can sharpen your intellect, it can even help you, get over your ego. Many of us are struggling with our egos, and we are struggling with so many other people's egos around, if not our ego.
Yes.
Whether it is a boss or colleagues or subordinates, all of us have big egos. And your breath has insights and tricks to handle all this. And we have never been taught that. So that is how important breath is. One, it is life. Second, it is life supporting. Whatever you want from your life, your breath can give you. That is how important breath is.
Why is yoga important over gym practice?
Gym is also a form of yoga only. It is one form of yoga. Gym is one form of yoga. But yoga is little more subtle. And the word yoga, हिंदी में बोलते हैं, जो योग करता है वो योग्य बनता है ना? तो लाइफ में योग्यता चाहिए, तो योग शब्द योग्यता से, योग्य शब्द योग से आता है ना? तो उपयोगी, जीवन में उपयोगी बनना है तो योग करना पड़ेगा. जीवन में योग्य बनना है तो
योग के लिए योगी बनना है.
हाँ, है ना? तो वो, और योग सिर्फ, जिम क्या है ना, सिर्फ एक्सरसाइज है. योग के है ना अष्टांग योग बोलते हैं. यम, नियम, आसन, प्राणायाम, प्रत्याहार, धारणा, ध्यान, समाधि, ऐसे 8 अंग है. आसन को हम रिलेट कर सकते हैं एक्सरसाइज से, बट फिर भी डिफरेंस है. वो आसन करने के भी नियम है ना? वो जॉयफुली करना होता है, रिलैक्स स्टेट में करना होता है. तो बहुत डिफरेंस है वैसे, है ना? बट ठीक है, जिनको कुछ पता नहीं है, जो लेमैन है, वो तो बोल सकते हैं शुरुआत में जिम भी एक तरीके का योग है.
Doing meditation regularly can free out from stress.
Absolutely. That is the first side effect of meditation. It's not the effect, side effect. Effect तो कुछ और ही है. तो साइड इफेक्ट ऑफ मेडिटेशन,
स्ट्रेस होता ही नहीं.
हाँ, वो तो आगे की स्थिति है. वो तो कनेक्ट, ऐसी खुशी रहती है कि दुनिया जो भी करे करने दो भाई, हम तो ऐसे ही रहेंगे. है ना। वो
हाँ हाँ।
मुन्ना भाई पिक्चर देखा है ना लोगों ने, तो वो मुन्ना भाई पहला वाला जो पार्ट है ना, तो डॉक्टर अस्थाना को यही बोलता है, डॉक्टर मैं तो यही चाहूंगा, तुझे जो उखाड़ना है उखाड़ ले।
कर
हाँ,
ले।
तो जो मेडिटेट जो करता है वो ऐसे ही बोलता है, मैं तो ऐसे ही खुश रहूंगा। जिंदगी को बोलते हैं तुझे जो उखाड़ना है उखाड़ ले।
कर ले।
है ना, वो शक्ति भी आ जाती है, वो शक्ति आती है
हम्म।
वैसा रहने की। बोलना आसान है लेकिन करना मुश्किल है, करने के लिए शक्ति लगती है, और मेडिटेशन करने से वो शक्ति आती है। हम्म।
Why should I do if keep falling asleep while meditating?
हाँ, कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है हम सो गए, ऐसा लगता है झटके आ रहे हैं, ऐसा कभी कभी लगता है इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं सुनाई दे रहे। हाँ, ये अलग अलग अनुभव है मेडिटेशन के। यू हैव टू जस्ट क्रॉस दोज एक्सपीरियंस, उसको कोई कर नहीं सकते, तो वो आते हैं और जाते हैं, बस उसके साथ चलते रहना पड़ेगा।
So, is this some matter of religion or something like that?
सांस लेना और ध्यान करना रिलीजन की बात है ही नहीं। कोई बोल सकता है कि मुस्लिम सांस अलग है, हिंदू सांस अलग है, क्रिश्चियन सांस अलग है। हाँ, वो शादी वाली सांस अलग हो सकती है, लेकिन जो नाक से चलती है वो सांस तो एक ही है।
एक ही है।
है ना।
What is
तो
the best time
मन
for
को
taking yoga? हाँ।
एनी टाइम ऑफ द डे इज बेस्ट टाइम, जो आपको कन्वीनियंट है उस टाइम के नियम होते हैं। कि हल्के पेट होना चाहिए। हाँ, और वो नियमों का पालन पालन करते रहे तो एनी टाइम ऑफ द डे इज मोर और लेस गुड। देयर आर समटाइम्स स्लाइटली बेटर, देयर आर समटाइम्स स्लाइटली बैड, बट ऑल टाइम्स आर गुड।
Sometimes, if we are taking too much of rajas is increased in our body. Uh, is it tough to meditate at that time?
See, if you know the tricks of meditation, you can overpower rajas also and meditate। है ना, वो सबको हैंडल कर सकता है मेडिटेशन है वो। बस वो एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग की जरूरत है। एंड मेनी पीपल थिंक मेडिटेशन मीन्स कॉन्सेंट्रेशन। मेनी पीपल थिंक मेडिटेशन इज फोकस। मेनी पीपल थिंक मेडिटेशन इज काम माइंड, नो थॉट्स। So that is not meditation. I can only tell you that is not meditation. What is meditation? You have to learn. It cannot be said in a talk like this. You have to learn. But what is not, all this focus, concentration, all this is not meditation. And because it is not all this, it is very easy to do.
What are the side effects if we meditate too much?
मेडिटेट टू मच, हाँ, कुछ कुछ लोगों की थोड़ी सी एनर्जी बढ़ जाती है तो नींद नहीं आती है, कुछ ऐसा ऐसा हो जाता है। बट वो मुश्किल है, मुश्किल है ना। वो मेडिटेशन के डेप्थ में पहुंचना कि बहुत ज्यादा हो जाए, वो संभव नहीं है, बिकॉज हमारा बॉडी हमारे को खींच लेके आता है। वो बॉडी हमारा स्ट्रांग नहीं है, वो मेडिटेशन की शक्ति लेने के लिए तैयार नहीं है, तो खींचा खींचे बाहर आ जाते, वो सेल्फ बैलेंसिंग है, वो बोल सकते हैं।
How to remain positive in negative situations?
हाँ, उसी के लिए तो शक्ति लगती है ना। अगर मेरे मेरे सर पर बड़ा पत्थर है, शक्ति हो तो ही उठा पाऊंगा ना मैं। अभी एक पहलवान है और एक दुबला पतला आदमी जिसमें कोई शक्ति नहीं है, तो पहलवान को कोई आके कितने भी मुक्के मारेगा वो हंसते रहेगा, और वो दुबला पतले को कोई एक हल्का सा आदमी भी थोड़ा सा थप्पड़ मार ले तो गिर जाएगा। है ना। तो शक्ति शक्ति स्ट्रेंथ बिल्ड करना पड़ता है, तो फिर कोई परिस्थिति आपको अफेक्ट नहीं करेगी। हाँ, तो हम जिम जाते हैं शारीरिक तंदुरुस्ती के लिए, लेकिन मन की तंदुरुस्ती के लिए हमने आज तक कुछ नहीं किया। है ना। तो खाना तो देते हैं शरीर के लिए रोज खाना, लेकिन मन के लिए क्या खाना है, कभी सोचा है क्या? मेरे मन को कौन सा खाना मैं खिलाऊं कि मेरा मन मजबूत हो जाए? और अगर वो खाना हम दे पाए तो मन मजबूत हो जाएगा, और मन मजबूत हो ना, तो शरीर कमजोर भी हो तो हर परिस्थिति का सामना कर पाएंगे। दिखते हैं ना कि लोग ऐसे चमत्कार करते हैं कि छोटा मोटा है, ज्यादा शक्ति नहीं है, लेकिन मन इतना मजबूत होता है कि बड़ी बड़ी चीजें कर लेते हैं। और मन कमजोर होता है तो अच्छा अच्छा व्यक्ति भी छोटी छोटी बातों में फिसल जाता है। है ना?
सो समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन कि हम किसी के लिए बहुत पॉजिटिव करते हैं, हेल्पफुल होते हैं, उनकी हर गलतियों को माफ भी कर देते हैं, पर वो बार बार हमें हर्ट करते हैं, हमें परेशान करते हैं। सो हम उनको कैसे, उनके साथ कैसे रहें, उनके साथ कनेक्शन बना के रखें या दूर हो जाना चाहिए?
एक छोटी सी कहानी बताता हूं मैं। एक आदमी रास्ते से गुजर रहा था। हम्म, तो वो उसने देखा कि एक आग जल रही है और एक सांप उसमें जल रहा है। तो उसने सांप को उठाया आग से। सांप को आग से उठाया तो सांप घबराया हुआ था, तो सांप ने उसको काट लिया। तो उसका में हाथ कट गया, तो उसने सांप को छोड़ दिया और सांप फिर से अग्नि में चला गया। तो ये आदमी ने क्या किया कि उसने एक लकड़ी लाई, वो लकड़ी से सांप को उठाया और सांप को साइड में रख दिया। तो एक और आदमी उधर से गुजर रहा था, उसने देखा कि देखो तुमने सांप को बचाने का प्रयत्न किया, सांप ने तुम्हें काट लिया, लेकिन फिर भी तुम कुछ रास्ता निकाले सांप को मदद करने के लिए। तो वो आदमी ने कहा कि मेरा स्वभाव है मदद करना, तो मैं कोई ना कोई रास्ता ढूंढूंगा उसके मदद करने के लिए। सांप का स्वभाव है काटना, उसको काटते रहे, उसके काटने से मैं कैसे बच जाऊं और कैसे मैं उसको मदद करूं, यही मैं देखता हूं। तो लोग तो करेंगे गड़बड़, वो गड़बड़ से बचते रहो, लेकिन मदद करते रहो। अपने स्वभाव को मत छोड़ना। अगर आपको लगता है मदद करना है, वो आपका स्वभाव है, तो वो करते रहो, तो उससे दूर मत भागो।
बहुत अच्छा जवाब था भैया, इससे बहुत लोगों को हेल्प मिलने वाली है।
हम्म
So, how is meditation different from relaxation, thinking, concentration, or self hypnosis?
So all this, except for self hypnosis, all this happens as a result of meditation. आपका कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ता है मेडिटेशन करने से, रिलैक्सेशन बढ़ता है मेडिटेशन करने से, माइंड शांत होता है मेडिटेशन करने से। मेडिटेशन के टाइम शायद माइंड शांत नहीं हो, लेकिन करने से माइंड शांत होने लगता है।
What kind of food we should take in current corona situations to increase immunity?
हाँ, फूड तो अच्छा, हेल्दी खाना खाइए। फिर सिर्फ खाना नहीं, बट एक मिनट, हाँ लाइट आ गई, मैं ये लाइट को बंद कर देता हूँ, देन इट विल बिकम लिटिल बेटर। हाँ, तो then you take some herbs also. Ashwagandha and Amrut are very good herbs to build up the immunity system. Then Art of Living has a medicine called Shakti drops. So 2-3 times a day, few drops you take in a cup of water, that will boost your immunity. And as we are speaking, there is research happening on this Shakti drops in Europe, how effective it is to fight coronavirus and all that. So that research is happening, and sooner or later we will also know how effective it is. But many of us, I am taking Shakti drops every day, I am taking Amrit every day, and it will boost up your immunity. And if your immunity is strong, then automatically viruses will not be able to affect you so much.
This is the reason why you are having this Nurani chehra.
हाँ, नूरानी चेहरा तो मेडिटेशन है। मेडिटेशन वो नूर है, फिर नूरानी चेहरा तो आ ही जाता है। जब नूर हो पास में तो सब कुछ नूरानी लगता है।
What is advanced course and why we have to be silent in advanced course?
देखिए, सोर्स ऑफ एवरीथिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड इज साइलेंस। जब हम बिग बैंग थियरी भी सुनते हैं ना, तो बिग बैंग थियरी जो यूनिवर्स का क्रिएशन हम सुनते हैं, तो उसके पहले बोलते थे कि सब साइलेंस था, एक छोटे से पार्टिकल में ये था, और फिर वहां से सब कुछ बैंग हुआ और फिर ये यूनिवर्स बना। दिस इज व्हाट साइंटिस्ट से। सो दैट साइलेंस इज द सोर्स ऑफ दिस क्रिएशन, and when this silence is the source of creation, then source of all thought, source of all action, source of everything is this silence. तो आप जब वो साइलेंस से कनेक्ट होते हैं ना, then you recognize that it is a source of energy, it is a source of creativity, it is source of, path breaking ideas. Everything happens from there. Archimedes discovered the Archimedes principle not because of stress. When he went into that bathtub and he felt relaxed and silent, that was the time he said, okay, I realize it, eureka, eureka, he said. Or whether it was Newton, if he was upset with the apple falling on his head, then he wouldn't have understood. When he was silent, it clicked. Oh, this is the law of gravity, isn't it? So silence is all discoveries, everything happens in silence only. And when we do silence course, we learn to connect to that silence more and more. When we repeat it, we connect to it more and more, and then we give ourselves a better chance to achieve better things in life.
Where should we meditate?
Why should we meditate?
Where should we meditate?
If you learn meditation, you will know you can meditate practically everywhere. You can meditate in a car, you can meditate in a bus, in a plane, as long as you're not driving or piloting these things. So if you're not doing any of these things, you can meditate wherever, even in the marketplace, even in a park, wherever. There is no.
Okay, Bhaiya, tell me your guru story. I'm really excited to hear from you.
See, we all go through situations where we are affected by situations around, no matter what, And if you have seen the Vishalakshi Mandap in Bangalore Ashram, I was one of the persons responsible for its construction. So huge construction. I was only 26. I was only 26 when the construction started, and I was one of the persons responsible for it. And by education, I'm a chemical engineer. That job requires more civil engineering work. And I was very overwhelmed with whatever is happening around me. So one fine day I went to Gurudev and I said, Gurudev, you please change my responsibility. I don't want to do this. And in those days, Gurudev would change people's responsibility without asking much. So I didn't feel the need to explain anything more. But what he said really shook me. He said, one day the whole world is going to come against you with swords in their hands. Are you ready to face them? Like, I was shocked. I said in my mind, I only asked for a change of seva. Where is this world and swords come from? And in my mind, I'm saying, if you don't want to change my seva, it's okay, but don't bring such logic, world and swords, whatever, And then I had this thought, maybe he's wanting to, test whether I'm putting, whether I really want to change my seva or I'm just superficially requesting. That, a small mind thinks. Guru knows anyway, how strong you are or how weak you are. But you have these thoughts, no? He's testing me whether I really want to. And then I was confused. Whether I should put in my petition again or accept whatever he's saying and go, understand whatever he's saying and go. So I was confused. I don't know how much time passed. It might be 10, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. But when I put up my head again, Gurudev was standing right in front of me like this. And he looked into my eyes and he said, how can you lose if I am there with you? So Gurudev has given so much knowledge, but this one knowledge stands out for me in all the situations. Whenever I find situations being tough, when I know what is, I'm finding it difficult to handle, then I always remember, if Gurudev is there with me, I can never lose. I might not know how to win, but one thing is certain, that I'm not going to lose. And that itself gives me tremendous strength. And sooner or later, the situations, they come out. You come out of the situations. You have come out of the situations all the time, isn't it?
It's a beautiful story, Bhaiya, and a beautiful knowledge also. Gurudev is really with us. Always he is with us. And this is the reason why we are not losing anything. I can feel that.
And that is the source of permanent smile, no?
Yes.
You know there is a person whom I can fall back upon. The whole world might reject me, but my Guru is there to take me with both arms open, with both arms, as if nothing has happened,
Yes.
And I have seen him do this with hundreds and thousands of people, including me. I have done worst possible. Yeah, I have done worst possible mistakes in my life, but all I get is an open arm and a tight hug. That's all.
Can we do advanced course first?
See, to ride, you need to learn the tricks of driving first, no? Isn't it? So
Yes.
the happiness program is learning the tricks. It is just a preparation. You need to know how the gear functions. You need to know how the accelerator functions, everything. So that is the happiness program and advanced course. So immediately after happiness program, you could do advanced course. Actually, it was only one course earlier.
Okay.
Only because people would complain they don't get so much time, it was divided into two. So the first is just learning the tricks. The real course is the advanced course.
There are lots of questions for you, Bhaiya.
So we can take one or two more, then
Yes,
we'll have one more session sometime later.
definitely. How to stop thoughts when we close the eyes? Want to do them. What to do then? Yes.
Ha, don't try to stop the thoughts. Let them be there. Gurudev gives a very beautiful example. He says there is a cup of water filled with mud, muddy water. So how will the mud come down? By doing nothing. The mud will come down by doing nothing. It will settle down on its own. But if you say I'm going to do something to make the mud come down, it's never going to come down. So it's the same thing with our thoughts. They will come down on their own. Any effort to make them come down is going to only disturb it more, and they're going to remain there more.
Yes. Beautiful. Yeah. Bhaiya, we can finish with this. That please share us details of happiness program and how to register with it.
Yeah, I will share it on my Instagram post, Instagram this, and Sana is also here. She will also post it on her this. Both of us will share the links, and you can join. Not a big deal.
So start with breathing techniques and meditation program and learn how to be happy permanently.
Yeah, learn the tools to be happy permanently. Once you practice the tools, then you will become happy permanently.
Don't get lazy.
Yeah, some commitment is required on your side also.
Yes. Just register and go with the flow.
Yeah, and as I said, a very beautiful person is waiting to meet you on the other side of the program.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Bhaiya. It was really a knowledgeful session with you. And definitely we will come again and we will ask lots of questions to you. Thank you,
Yes,
Bhaiya.
yes.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Sana, for inviting, and hope all of you enjoyed this question answer session. If you have more questions, you can send them to Sana, and we'll have another program in few days. And we will take it up again and again till the time all your questions are answered. Okay.
Jai
So
Gurudev.
good. Jai Gurudev. All the best.